Come on, let's play football.
Hey.
What a great shot!
Hey.
Here you go.
Catch
this.
The ball's gone!
Where did you even kick it? Go find it, now! Wait a second. There's something there. There's a tung-tung over there. It stole our ball.
Find it! Don't let it escape.
I swear I saw it around here. Is it in here? Something's definitely wrong. How can it be that fast? I think there's something over there.
Tung 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 sahur.
Hey, you two! It's over there.
Let's go!
What's this?
Hey.
Blue! I found something.
This is a weapon. We can use this to fight that tung tung. Go!
Where's Black? Oh no! Black's been captured!
We have to go save him!
Hey.
Let Black go, you damn tung tung!
Hey, bro.
Wake up, Black!
Hey.
Let's go check on him.
Are you okay?
We have to run!
Follow me!
Keep running! That tung tung is right behind us!
Stay alert! I sense danger nearby. Go!
There's only one! Let's take it down!
You bastard!
Black! He's been turned into a tung tung!
Snap out of it, man!
What happened to Black?
I don't know either! Follow me! What?
How is it so fast?
Run! They're coming after us again!
Quick! Climb a tree and set up an ambush!
They're coming! This is our chance!
Damned tung tung!
You're finally awake, you idiot!
What? Tung tung? We just took down that tung tung! Great work!
Yes. Let's go.
Come on, let's go home. Yellow, wake up, come on!
Where am I?
Hurry, get me out of here.
Hold on, Just a second. Where in the world have they taken us? This place is a wasteland. Oh no!
How's our little prey doing? So, you're finally awake, Spider-Man.
Let me go!
This is where you die.
I'm right here, you bastard! Another one?
One of them is hiding. Go find it. What was that noise? Sounds like you went down below.
I've been spotted! We have to save Blue first.
What took you so long?
Come on, let's run. This way. They've spotted us.
Run faster!
Hurry up. What was that noise? Oh no! Go!
Quick! Let's split up and hide!
Right. They're gaining on us. We have to move silently. What? Stay away from me, you damned monsters! So peaceful. Looks like another peaceful day for us. What? Hey!
Huh?
Come on! Wake up! Relax, it's just a fake.
Hey!
So it was you tricking me all along. You're gonna pay for that. Why can't I catch you? Damn it! Gotcha. Don't be mad. I was just kidding. Wait, there's something behind you. Are you trying to trick me again? No, I'm serious. Look behind you. Don't believe. Where did this guy come from? Damn it! I have to do something to save him. Let him go, you monster. Let go of me. Nice one.
You dare steal my prey?
Come here. I'll finish you myself. Hold still. Powering up. Die. We took him down. Good job. What's going on? An earthquake? Look over there. We need backup.
Looks like another peaceful day for us.
You can say that again.
Hold on, it's a call from Spider-Man 1. Hello.
We're in a bit of trouble over here. We need backup. Now.
Copy that. The two of us are on our way. Let's go.
Hang on a second. Can't leave this behind. It'd be a waste.
Okay, hurry up. Done.
Your fight is with me now.
Stop right there. You think you can get away? What? Wait, why is he stopping?
You've fallen right into my trap.
That's what you think?
Impossible. Time to use my special move. You've fallen right into my trap.
Two can play at that game. Die!
Where did they go? Where did that attack come from? I have to stay alert. They could come from anywhere. I can't let my guard down.
Huh?
Fool! A sneak attack?
Your speed isn't half bad for a human.
Is that all you've got? Show me what you can really do.
Don't get so cocky. You inferior being.
Let's see if you can even land a hit.
Insolence.
I'm over here.
Insolence.
Whoops! You missed. My turn. I'm done on my end.
Whoa, you guys handled them all already?
What?
What's happening? Feeling so dizzy? Snap out of it, guys. That giant is reappearing. Let's get to him. Come on. Now. Attack. That was way too close for comfort.
Get back in formation?
Listen up. Fire!